Welcome to our channel. Fitbit syncing issues can prevent you from tracking your fitness data, but these troubleshooting steps will restore your connection. Step 1. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone by checking your phone's settings and verifying Bluetooth is turned on and discoverable. Step 2. Force close the Fitbit app completely and then reopen it, which often resolves temporary connection glitches. Step 3. Restart your Fitbit device by going into its settings menu and selecting the restart or reboot option if available. Step 4. Restart your smartphone to clear any background processes that might be interfering with Bluetooth connectivity. Step 5. In the Fitbit app, remove your device from the account, then set it up again as if it were new to establish a fresh connection. Step 6. Update both your Fitbit device firmware and the Fitbit mobile app to ensure compatibility between the device and your phone. Step 7. Check that your Fitbit is within 30 feet of your phone with no major obstacles blocking the Bluetooth signal. Step 8. If issues persist, contact Fitbit support with your device model and error details for personalized troubleshooting assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.